an angel. Good morning. We are at the, you are an angel. We are at the rail station and we're catching a train up to Kuranda. So that's very exciting. And it's kind of bright, so sorry for that. But we're drinking some cappuccino. I don't know if they can hear us, but. So, can you show us the tickets? They look so cool. Look, they look very like vintage kind of old things, but it's a very old train. I'm excited. And we're in the car one, so we're there. We're waiting. So we're gonna be driving there for 1.5 hours. Okay. And we have some free time, and we're gonna go to Kuranda Village. I can't speak today. And then we're gonna take the sky rail back. So that's exciting.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the hobbies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me.
Hello. Do you know where we are, Mona?
What?
Do you know where we are?
In the middle of
We have this 10-minute stop, and this is not the barn falls. It's just some gorge, but it's very beautiful. So we got to Kuranda, and now we're walking to Kuranda Village, and I picked up the map, and now I really want to go to Koala Gardens. I'm not sure that there's koalas there though, but you never know.
There's just one thing you should know. Girl, you are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me.
What did we order?
mango smoothie.
A mango smoothie. Because we were told
It's good.
that is
I didn't even hear
famous.
that.
That was famous. That's the only reason why we get
Okay. Yeah, the only.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
I think I should have taken the one with coconut because I'm not
Do
good.
you even like mango?
It's famous. Did you hear it? No, yeah, it's fine. I mean, it might be really thick though, but that will fill us up.
Yeah.
So that's good.
I want to get a necklace from my grandma.
Yeah.
Anywhere. If I see something cute, I got it.
Your grandma will watch this later and she'll be like, ah.
She won't understand.
I'll put like in this segment right there. I'll put German subtitles and everything.
Okay.
And then you laugh because I will Google Translate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're very. We're gonna show you the smoothies after. We got our smoothies. You like it? I like it. It's not like very, very sweet, which I like. I really like it. This is how we have to wait. One is getting a very serious. Hello. Hi. got out at the Red Peak Lookout, and now we're gonna check it out. We're taking the cableway down, and it's a beautiful, magnificent. So nice. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.